you, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. It has been a very long time since I've said that. I am sure it has been a month and a couple of days now, and I'm so happy to be back on the channel, back online, back on the bees, and I hope that you are happy to have me too. I was out because I had a little bit of a problem. My skin was acting weird. I had some allergies from something that I ate, and pimples was popping left, right and center. So my doctor advised me to stop completely applying the makeup, and yeah, that was the reason I was off. And then again, I was not comfortable doing anything on camera. You know, sometimes the pimples can make you look otherwise, and they do work with your self-confidence. So I couldn't wait for a go ahead, and yeah, the medication worked, and I'm so happy to be back. This video, you are going to see how I got this hairstyle with my ear-to-ear frontal. I'm sure you are thinking this is a 360. No, hun, this is not a 360. It's an ear-to-ear. Get to like this video, and don't forget to press that notification button so that you don't miss my next upload. Please do comment on the section below if you like what you are seeing, and without wasting more time, let us dive into the video. I'm going to put on this old wig of mine. This is a 13x4 old wig. So yeah, let the game begin. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be doing today. As you can see, this is what we're gonna be doing. I need to make sure that all the hairs are to use my Got to Be Glued spray. Okay guys, so now that I am done with the hair, I'm going to leave it like this because I'm just going to style it after doing my makeup. I am going to do my makeup right now. section your hair how you want it to be. You can even have a middle line, and yeah, even the amount of hair that you want out is really up to you. This is the end of the video, and this is the look that we got. And the hair is looking scrumptious, guys. It's looking beautiful, I must say, and I am so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself. So this is how we are looking, and obviously this is an ear to ear, it's not a 360. And yeah, at the back it's definitely not looking that much good, But then if you're doing a photo shoot or you just want to take pictures, this is the look. If you don't have your 360 degree, you can definitely rock your ear to ear and have a bunny exactly like I'm having right now, and you will be good to go. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, guys, and until I see you on my next upload, I am back, and yeah, next week I'm having another video again. Bye.